Hello students, in this video we will find the variance for the above random variable. So if you look at the table, you notice that this is not the table we usually have. We usually have the scores x and then the probability next. So notice how I know that these are the x values. So I'm just gonna change the scores maybe to x, and then the probability is p of x. And notice how x is here and p of x is here. And we're not used to this format. We're used to the format where p of x is second. So I'm just going to copy, I'm going to cut this column and I will paste it next to x. So now this is the format we're used to. Although it shouldn't confuse you, but some students are confused by that. The variance is basically when we square the standard deviation. So here is the standard deviation. If you square it, you're going to get the variance. We know that the standard deviation is the square root of x minus mu all squared times p of x. So remove the square root and you're going to end up with the formula for the variance, which is basically the sum of x minus mu, which is the mean, all squared, times p of x. So what I will do, I will create a column that has x minus mu all squared times p of x, and then I will add this column together, and that should give me the variance. Now, in this formula, I will need the mean. I know to find the mean, we can find the function sum product of the first array. It doesn't matter which one you pick first, comma, the next array. It doesn't matter what you pick next. So whether you do p of x first or x first, it's going to be the same. So here is our mean. Now that we found the mean, I am going to copy this formula exactly as I see it. I'm just going to remove the sum because the sum is done last. I see a parentheses. I'm going to put parentheses. I see xi means each time I'm going to pick a new x. That will mean I will click on the first x I see, minus mu. Mu is one number, so I'm just going to type it. It's better to type it, not to click on it, because if you click on it, chances are you're going to forget to lock it in place. So I recommend you always type the mean. And then I have this raised to the second power. So I'm just going to say shift 6 and then 2. So this is raised to the second power, and then times p of x is going to change. So I'm just going to click on the first p of x I see, and then click enter. Now this formula is basically this part of the formula. This part of the formula right here, done in one cell. Now all I need to do is just to populate that so it is done for every single cell. Now if I add these up, I know I'm going to get sigma squared or the variance. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the home and then auto sum, or you can type in the sum function and add all of these. So I know that the variance is this number right here. I'm just going to copy that, and I will head to this question and paste it and submit it. And that is the correct answer to find the variance. You might get confused by where the scores are versus where the probabilities are, but know always that your scores are going to be integers and your probabilities are numbers that are less than 1 and greater than 0. They're positive, but they're less than 1, very likely to be less than 1. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you in a different one.